What if I told you that one of the most successful companies in the world became a giant not by selling luxury products, but by convincing customers to do part of the work themselves? Imagine walking into a store, choosing a table, carrying it home in a flat box, opening dozens of pieces, reading instructions, and spending hours assembling it yourself. Most businesses would assume customers would hate that experience. But one company discovered something remarkable. The more effort people put into building something, the more they value it. This simple psychological principle helped create a furniture empire that generates tens of billions of dollars every year and serves millions of customers across the globe. Today, we're exploring one of the smartest business strategies ever created. A strategy that transformed a small furniture retailer into a global giant and revealed a powerful lesson that entrepreneurs, investors, and everyday people can learn from. This is the story of how a simple idea became a multi-billion-dollar empire. Chapter 1: The problem most furniture companies faced. For decades, buying furniture was expensive. Traditional furniture stores manufactured products, stored them in warehouses, delivered them to customers, and often provided assembly services. Every step added costs. Transportation was expensive. Storage was expensive. Labor was expensive. As a result, customers paid higher prices. Most companies accepted this system because it was the industry standard. But great entrepreneurs often become successful by questioning standards that everyone else accepts. Instead of asking how to make furniture better, one company asked a different question: how can furniture become affordable for almost everyone? That single question changed everything. Chapter 2: The Revolutionary Idea. The breakthrough was surprisingly simple. Instead of shipping fully assembled furniture, why not design products that could be packed flat inside compact boxes? This innovation dramatically reduced transportation costs. A truck that previously carried only a few assembled tables could now transport many more flat-packed products. Warehousing became more efficient. Storage became cheaper. Distribution became faster. Most importantly, prices became lower. Customers received affordable furniture. The company reduced costs. It was a win for everyone. But there was another hidden advantage nobody expected. And that advantage would become one of the most powerful psychological discoveries in business. Chapter 3: The Billion-Dollar Psychology Secret. Researchers discovered something fascinating. People tend to place a higher value on things they help create. When someone spends time and effort assembling a bookshelf, a desk, or a cabinet, they begin to feel emotionally connected to it. The furniture is no longer just another product. It becomes something they helped build. Psychologists later called this phenomenon the IKEA effect. The principle is simple. People value what they help create. Think about a meal you cooked yourself. Or a project you spent weeks completing. Or a business you built from nothing. The effort invested creates emotional ownership. This psychological effect became a hidden superpower. Customers weren't simply buying furniture. They were participating in the creation process. And because they invested effort, they appreciated the final product even more. Chapter 4: The Power of Lower Prices. Affordable pricing became another key advantage. Many businesses focus on maximizing profits per customer. But some of the greatest companies focus on maximizing value. Lower prices attract more customers. More customers create larger sales volumes. Larger sales volumes improve efficiency. Improved efficiency helps maintain competitive prices. This creates a powerful cycle of growth. As millions of customers discovered affordable furniture solutions, the company expanded across countries and continents. What began as a local business became a global phenomenon. The lesson is powerful. Sometimes making less on each sale can help you make much more overall. Chapter 5: Making Shopping an Experience. The company also understood something many businesses overlook. People don't always buy products. They buy experiences. Instead of simply displaying furniture on shelves, they created complete room setups. Customers could walk through realistic bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, and offices. People could imagine how products would look inside their own homes. This transformed shopping from a transaction into an experience. The more time customers spent exploring, the more likely they were to make purchases. Successful businesses understand that emotions often influence decisions more than logic. Chapter 6: Lessons for Entrepreneurs. The story offers several powerful lessons. First, challenge assumptions. The biggest opportunities often come from questioning what everyone else accepts. Second, solve real problems. People wanted affordable furniture. The company focused relentlessly on solving that need. Third, understand human psychology. Businesses that understand how people think gain a significant advantage. Fourth, create value before chasing profits. When customers genuinely benefit, growth becomes easier. Finally, simplicity can be powerful. The greatest business ideas are often surprisingly simple once someone discovers them. Chapter 7: The Bigger Lesson. This story is not really about furniture. It's about understanding value. Many people believe success comes from complicated strategies. But some of the most successful companies in history grew by solving ordinary problems in extraordinary ways. They focused on efficiency. They focused on customers. They focused on long-term thinking. And most importantly, they understood people. Whether you're building a business, investing money, developing a skill, or pursuing a dream, the principle remains the same. When you create genuine value, growth follows. When you understand human behavior, opportunities become visible. And when you dare to think differently, you can achieve results others never imagined. The next time you see a simple piece of furniture, remember that behind it may be one of the smartest business lessons ever created. A lesson that transformed a basic product into a global empire. Success doesn't always come from inventing something revolutionary. Sometimes it comes from looking at an ordinary problem and finding a better way to solve it. The companies that shape the future are often the ones that understand people better than everyone else. And the people who build wealth are usually those who learn these lessons and apply them consistently. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with Trillies for more insights on wealth, personal growth, financial awareness, and building a better future.